In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Tag Manager on Shopify. Google Tag Manager, or GTM, lets you add and manage analytics, ads, and conversion tags on your store without editing code every time. We'll walk through setting it up so your container loads correctly on every page. First, get GTM ready. If you prefer using a Shopify app for convenience, install a trusted Google Tag Manager app. Otherwise, head to Google Tag Manager in your browser, create a new account, and add a container for your website. Name the account clearly and choose web as the target platform. When the container is created, you'll see two code snippets, one for the head and one for the body. These contain your unique container ID, copy both exactly as provided, and keep them handy. Now switch to Shopify, log into your Shopify admin, then go to Online Store, open Themes, and choose Edit Code on your active theme. In the file list, open the theme.liquid file. This is the main layout file that controls the overall structure of your storefront. Paste the head script inside the head section, ideally near the top so it loads early. Next, paste the body script immediately after the opening body tag. Placing it right after that opening tag is important for accurate loading and improved measurement. Double check that you didn't accidentally duplicate or break any existing code, then click Save. With the code in place, return to Google Tag Manager and click Submit to publish your container. Add a brief version name and description if you like, then confirm. Until you submit, your tags won't go live. Finally, test your setup to make sure the tag fires correctly. In GTM, use preview mode to connect to your store, load a few pages, and confirm that the container and any default tags appear as expected. You can also open your storefront in a private window and check that no errors occur and that the container ID is present. Once everything checks out, GTM will begin tracking your Shopify store so you can manage analytics, advertising pixels, and conversion events from one place. As you add tags later, you'll do that inside GTM and publish new versions. No more theme edits. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.